God damn, baby, that ass is fat. What's up, Solo? I'm feeling okay. Little heartburn sometimes, but...
Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll account.